Hi and welcome to Watch the Time. Can you guess what it is yet? Yep, it's a Zelos. Now, the time and date that I'm recording this video, I think they're just dropping a new batch of Zelos Swordfish, and this is a Zelos Swordfish in this box, and we'll get it open in a second. Just a quick wristwatch check. Just a quick glimpse of this quite a special little Casio, but more about that in another video. Right, so let's get into this box. So just a wooden sleeve and then a nice wooden case. That's proper wood, and it's got a good weight to it as well. Really nice and heavy, which is good. And I'm in two minds about this as to how much money they spend on the packaging and does it affect the watch. Because I know in here there's going to be a nice, that's magnetic. There's a nice watch roll, some sort of leather or pleather or suede. So again, feels nice. So this is a nice experience and it's all nice quality. But I don't know how they do this for the money. So there's the roll, nice little flat there. So in here we've got the metal Zelos warranty card, just 1 year warranty. I haven't got a problem with that. The website there, that's nice. Metal warranty card. We've got a leather strap here, which is a bit odd. To come with a dive watch, you'd normally get a stainless steel and a rubber strap, but looks like a nice Zelos branded. It's a genuine Horween leather made in USA. So it's a nice leather strap, 22mm lug width. And then the watch. Now, I have had this out and I have sized it. Sorry, I have had this out to check it over because it's second hand, and I did just change it on the micro adjuster fit, but I'm going to take a link out and then move that. But there it is, the Zelos Swordfish. And just take a look at that blue dial. Just going to show you around the watch, side crown, nice case back, fairly simple but with a swordfish on it. Solid end link, milled clasp. So we've got a sandwich dial and the markers are recessed. Big broad fence post hands, a nicely detailed second hand with a big loom marker and a red tip to it, so a nice bit of design going on there. I love the Zelos logo, and I love how cleanly designed this is. Just says automatic, and then in red there the water resistance, which is this is 300 meters water resistant. So we've got a flat sapphire crystal and a matte ceramic fully loomed bezel insert, and that is absolutely gorgeous. That is how to do a ceramic insert. I love the logo on this and the way it's applied, and it's just a nice design. And I do like that sort of stainless steel retort in there, like the chapter ring almost. It's yeah, very nice, really well done. So we've got a case diameter of 42mm. I know they do a 40mm version as well, but this wears beautifully on my wrist. So I've got a 42 diameter, as I said before, 22mm lug width. The lug to lug is fairly short at 48mm, but there is an extended end link, so it makes it a little bit longer, if you see there. So it just pushes it out a little bit. And although it's chunky, it's only 13mm thick, and the way it sits on the wrist, some of that disappears. So it's not as, I thought this was going to be very similar to my Seiko Monster in that it was too top heavy and just too heavy and bulky, but my first impressions are that it's actually not. So the end links almost look like they've got a sort of a hand finished look to them, because, and you know, to make them fit perfectly, and they do sort of integrate really nicely. The bracelet is absolutely beautiful. Nice Zelos logo etched onto the clasp. It's a double deployant, fully milled out clasp with plenty of micro adjust. Tudor, that's how to do a clasp. I like the fact that Zelos is actually stamped right through there. That's a really nice touch as well. I'm liking this a lot, this watch. I can see why there's a lot of hype around these and why they sell out so quickly. This is number 11 of 300, and it's this midnight blue that sort of fades to black, and it's, yeah, in some, like there it looks black, completely black, and then you get that blue effect to come over it. And with the fairly subtle deep blue ceramic bezel insert, I think this is just absolutely gorgeous. Signed crown, again, they're pushing that Zelos logo. I do like that. Don't feel the need to write the name under it. It's yeah, nice crown guards. NH35, not a lot to say about that. I haven't checked it, but I can regulate an NH35 to within cost specification. I can get it to within a couple of seconds a day, not difficult. So happy with that. Let's get it on wrist. Look at the light on there. Whoa, the Casio monster is coming to you soon. There it is on my just over 7-inch wrist. It's a chunky, manly watch, but it's not heavy. It's not too big for my wrist. My wrist is just over 7¼ inches, and it wears really nicely. I really like this. No date, which I like. You get the lovely symmetry to the dial, just purely time, and that useful timing bezel. So you know, a really good functional watch. This is, yeah, I've just reduced my collection of watches down to 5, and I've recently picked up 3 watches. I reduced my collection down to 5, and I recently picked up 3 watches that I want to keep. And it's like, oh, this is difficult, but this is an absolute cracker. I can see where the hype is now. And I think these drop for around $350. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And I know some people could say, it'd be better with a Solita or an ETA movement, or something a little bit better, a high-end Miyota. But really, on a dive watch like this, I think the NH35 is absolutely fantastic. When we only had the 7S26 movement in the SKX, and the 4R, which is what this is, came out, everyone was like, oh yeah, that's a much better movement. So no problem with this at all. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I'll just quickly put a loom shot in there, and then I'll leave it there, and I'll do a full review at a later date, but I'm going to love it. So for now, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one for the little Casio monster. Cheers, bye.